So, hello everybody out there. This is Utsav Singh from Smart Tech, and today it is not a tutorial video. It is about Wi-Fi and LAN or Ethernet or local area network, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so what is LAN? LAN is the connected method of getting your internet or sharing data and stuff, while Wi-Fi wireless method. So you will be saying, of course, Wi-Fi is more convenient. You would be saying we get equal speed, what's the difference? But that's where you go wrong. There is a huge difference. You would have noticed by now, if you have Wi-Fi routers at your home, that when you connect, if you're sitting just beside the Wi-Fi router, now it will be very fast. But if you like in a different room, in the different end of your house, the speed will be very different. So that's where the difference lies. Their Wi-Fi works through waves, and the objects in your houses, such as walls, doors, and stuff, interrupt these waves and make your connection slower. So now that's where Ethernet comes in. Ethernet is an wired method, so lesser the distance, more the less, um, let's just say, data loss. So there are um, three categories, I think: category 5, category 6, category 7. They are differently rated for distance and the maximum capabilities of network transfer they can, data transfer they can handle. So I will just prove it to you. I have my Wi-Fi, my router is in another room, so I will just open this up, speedtest.net, and press go. Now you please keep in mind that my speed is 100 Mbps. Now as you can see, this is all I get. Not even near that, is it? Okay, wait for it. Now just let it upload. That's the huge difference. Let's just let it happen. Actually, there's another tool in your own computer if you are using Windows 10. I think it is called speed something. Speed test. No, my bad. Speed test. Speed test 8. Wha- Whatever. Can't find it right now. But I'm pretty sure there is something. You'll just have to look for it. Once stumble upon it. Maybe it's somewhere around. Nope, can't find it. Okay, so here is a speed in Wi-Fi, and I'm sitting like in my study room. There's a wall in between the living room, and it's just on the side of the wall, on the other side, of course. So that is a huge difference. Now I will connect my Ethernet cable that I earlier used to use with my PC. Now it is connected. Let's see if it's working or not. Yes, as you can see, it is connected, and I will just open this and refresh. Now I'm connected with my Ethernet cable, okay, and press go. I noticed the ping time 16 to 3, and here's the goddamn speed. Please keep in mind my Ethernet cable is in category 6, okay, so it's in the mid category 5, category 6, and category 7. So now this is happening. I'll just let it happen. It's about to complete. This is a huge difference. So I'll just show you formula. Now notice the retailers that like Airtel and stuff, they sell you saying get 100 Mbps free net, um, unlimited speed. So Mbps, they showed this one, megabits per second, but when you convert it into megabytes, now I have 100 megabits. I want to convert it into megabytes just upon it. 12.5, that's the max download speed I will ever get in my PC, and I've never reached it. Maybe a few times, but it is usually 5 to 6 megabytes per second using Internet Download Manager. Um, for let's just say you have a 1 Gbps, you just upon 8 125 megabytes is the best speed you are ever gonna get on your PC. Just don't hope for more. There ain't no trick. It ain't free. So let's just say, wow. Um, Now, Ethernet cables. Uh, there are various types. So there is an LAN port in your laptop or system. Usually there is. If you are owning a PC, maybe it comes in built in your motherboard. If it doesn't, you will need a network card. And this is Ethernet cables are of various types, different categories. So if you are suffering data loss, make sure it is properly connected, make sure there isn't no rust, and if it still doesn't work, check the category. And you would have noticed that there's this search network cards. If you have a system PC, um, and it has multiple LAN ports. Now, like in this one, there will be something, let's just say, like this. There is usually a rating on the upper side of the LAN ports, that it will be like the first is for 10 Mbps connection, second for 100, third for 150, 100,000, and like 1 Gbps, and second is, and the fourth is for 10 Gbps. So make sure you connect your Ethernet cable in the right port. That's also important, guys. If you end up putting, like, you have a 1 Gbps connection and you put the Ethernet cable in the 10 Mbps slot, you are not going to get more than that. So that is very important. Okay, so then there is Ethernet cable. Make sure not to use very huge, and make sure it is certified for that particular distance you want. And it is like, if you have a 100 Mbps connection, make sure it at least supports 100 Mbps connections, or else your speed will be bottlenecked. So that was it, guys. Hope it helped you a lot. If you liked it, press the like button. If you loved it, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.